Take a look of various compounds of ceiling fan. These are capacitors which stores electrical charge and used to rotate a motor. An alternating current when passes through the stator winding, it produces a magnetic field. When this magnetic field passes through the rotor winding, it creates a current in the rotor. This current also produces magnetic field in the rotor, and these two magnetic fields repel and cause the motor.